All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Guys, so we're in Maypen Market. Maypen Market. You know, an Irish potato. You see, no matter stop because you're not gonna buy wood for something like supermarket.
No, you're not buying no wood for nothing. Me, I stop. Me, at this way.
We're in Maypen Market, guys. And we need to carry back, we need kidney beans, we need gungo, we need gungo, I mean, I know scallion. Oh, yeah, you bought scallion. We need gungo for carry back. For myself, I love gungo. You can't part this one.
I'm actually ready to say no. Ah, alright. I've heard this come back.
Oh.
You come buy the banana.
What back up?
I try park at supermarket.
Alright. I'll buy some time.
You know, you need to see if you come fast. You know, I go over there.
Mr. Harry, how much a pound for grape?
Color what? 200.
You could have managed that to do that. Set it out, so.
Yeah.
How long you have to take? Whole evening. Come out here, come on, market, like you go police, you know.
Give me the box stand back.
Give me the
Guys, look, I have a bag juice. I'm drinking a bag juice. I've been craving for a bag juice from time and I finally got a bag juice. Okay guys, so we're at Kingston Spring Road. There's peer traffic. Be careful of this guy, like the traffic is mad. So see Kingston Spring Road. One stop in Devon House. So sorry for the jump up on the camera. Immigration and citizenship service. I believe if you want to be a Jamaican citizen, you know where to go. Right here. Like my daughter, if she wants to be a citizen, this is where she goes. New Year is coming up, so they need to do fireworks. Tomorrow is what? The 30th, 31st? Tomorrow? What is this?
There's the morning.
It's a new year. 2026, baby. Still enjoying 2025. So let's get this moving. So my daughter and I we are walking around Devon House, and we're gonna see if we can find anything, any food kind, like cakes or something. So that's us. Say hi, Nicole. Hello, Nicole. You sound like Auntie Doreen. Honorable George to go. Devon House.
Petit pois.
This is a bakery. So I think the patties are here. Jerk pork, jerk chicken, fish fry. You want fish? You can have a fish if you want.
How much is it?
Street food. You want to get fried fish?
No, you good.
Fried fish. There's a next in the line. You want fish or you don't want fish? In Devon House, but I'm trying to contemplate what to eat. We don't know what to eat. We want to get jerk pork. We have jerk pork all the time. Jerk chicken, we have jerk chicken all the time. I don't know what to get. So let's go over there.
Did you ever eat the pizza?
We could just get a big pizza, and then we all share it. So step down, be careful. So we recommendation to come to that for pizza. So we go in or just order here?
Is it to go or you
To go.
It's already.
Okay, let's go.
We have no nice tomatoes and no arugula.
But you have pepperoni?
Yes.
Okay, so what should we get? I don't like Hawaiian pizza.
Medium is 4 slices.
No, we don't want medium.
The large is 8.
How much is yours? 4. A medium is 4 slices.
Depends on what pizza you want. So pepperoni's up here, mediums.
Okay, so we don't want 8
3,000.
slices. The large one for 3,100.
Yeah, that's the pepperoni. Do you want pepperoni?
Do you do half and half?
Yes.
So get half pepperoni, half something else? Oh, cool, we do that one then.
What other half are we gonna get then?
I could get the meat lover. Half meat lover and pepperoni.
Not meat lover.
Yeah, pepperoni is meat lover is here.
Yeah.
What do you want?
You can just get jerk pork, jerk chicken, or something like
I'm
that.
tired of jerk pork and jerk chicken. I've been eating since I
Well,
got here.
look, what does that say? Pork, chicken, ham, pepperoni.
That's fine. So we have pepperoni half and meat lover half. Listen, guys. We just got a nice large pizza. We'll have our lunch, and then we're gonna go and have some ice cream after. So stay tuned and see what we get. I think we should have got some juice.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't think we need any.
You don't need juice. I think we should get you. I wait for her to come back. Are we gonna get some drink? What are we gonna get? This is Devon House, guys. Hey guys, so the pizza that I got from Devon House was super delicious, packed with flavor. It was so amazing and yummy too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you love Jamaican food, you love the culture, give us a subscribe. Thanks, bye. That's Camden Mall. Light off the cutting. Try another one and light it.
Oh, okay,
I love it. I'm having pizza. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I am drinking Supligen this morning. And the sun in Jamaica is wonderful. So good. I just woke up and I'm having jerk pork for my lunch. Because I wake up late, so I'm still on the UK time, so I woke up late. My mom had her breakfast already. And I'm just gonna give her some lunch, but I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna give her some lunch. And we'll see how the day pans out. yesterday we was on the road for the whole day. So I think we're gonna stay put today because it's very hot. But then we're gonna move and shit again tomorrow. So, but yeah, I'm in Jamaica, guys. I am loving it. You can tell by the grill.